What if everything you have been told about progress in cancer drug is a comforting story, not reality? Today, I will explain why the cancer drug ecosystem is failing patients and why small gains are no longer acceptable. We have seen the headlines, FDA approved. This new drug is a leap forward. Yet, for most people, those progress often translates into weeks or months, mostly less than half a year. Cancer kills 1 in 6 people worldwide. That's not an abstract statistics. It's millions of fathers, brothers, mothers, friends, and colleagues, and future dreams, hopes, and plans lost every year. We must demand more than marginal gains. What do I mean by that? Researchers analyzed all the FDA-approved drugs between 2002 and 2014 for solid tumors, found overall survival gain of roughly 2 months, not the years patients expect. That pattern isn't a coincidence. It's an obvious and direct outcome of a Me Too mentality. Big Pharma chasing marginal indications and producing dozens of near identical drugs. The result? Massive profit with minimal patient benefit. Now, fast forward 10 years to 2024. Project Orbis. It's a global regulatory alliance including the US, Canada, UK, Australia, Brazil, Israel, Singapore, and Switzerland. The promise was faster access to clinically significant cancer drug, but a recent Lancet Oncology study found no clinical advantage. Orbis reviewed drugs and other FDA-approved both deliver just 2 to 4 months of extra life. Think about that. We combined global forces and pooled regulatory muscle worldwide. Yet, outcomes didn't improve. Cost remained staggering, around $20,000 per month, and survival gains stay stagnant. Why? Because incentives hadn't changed. We reward incremental tweaks and safe bets, no bold innovation. Billions flow toward Me Too drugs, while high-risk, high-reward science struggles for funding. It's a policy failure and a moral crisis. Each delay in real innovation costs life. Every dollar poured onto marginal improvement is a dollar diverted from research that could yield years, perhaps cure. Science is being shaped by shareholder pressure and soaring cost, not by the pursuit of transformative treatments. When regulators and payers accept that 2 months as success, patients pay the price in time, quality of life, and money. We must demand higher standards, push regulators to require meaningful clinical benefit, fund daring science, not derivatives, hold pharma accountable for outcomes, not just revenue. Patients deserve more than months. They deserve true hope. I am Dr. Biswas, and it's time to end the cancer drug cycle of mediocrity. If you believe we must do better, share this video. Demand for policies and drugs that actually saves lives.